True strength is found in what you choose to carry, not what you let go. The loudest voice often belongs to an empty heart. Your worth is not measured by those who fail to see it. The only thing stronger than fear is a purpose worth fighting for. Fear dies when courage decides to take its place. The truth will unsettle you before it sets you free. Patience isn't waiting. It's mastering the art of enduring. Strength isn't avoiding the fall. It's learning to rise after it. Even in silence, your actions speak volumes. Kindness costs nothing, but leaves the richest legacy. The loudest voice often belongs to an empty heart. To forgive is to free yourself from the chains of the past. The fire within you burns brighter than the storms around you. Fear fades when you walk boldly into its shadow. Greatness begins where comfort ends. In every struggle lies the seed of triumph. Every dream requires the courage to wake up and chase it. Doubt whispers, but belief roars. Your scars are maps of the battles you've won. What you tolerate today will define your tomorrow. Growth begins the moment you stop fearing change. Every sunrise carries the promise of a fresh start. True wealth is found in moments, not possessions. The most dangerous chains are the ones we place on ourselves. The truth doesn't change, only your willingness to see it does. The heart remembers what the mind tries to forget. What breaks you today shapes the unbreakable tomorrow. The weight of regret is heavier than the courage to act. Your perspective can turn a wall into a bridge. The quietest voices often carry the deepest truths. Even the strongest walls crack when built on lies. A mind stretched by truth can never shrink back to ignorance. The road to greatness is paved with perseverance. The greatest victories are those fought within. The seeds of today's effort bloom into tomorrow's triumphs. Pain is the soil where resilience grows. Growth is painful, but staying the same is far worse. True courage is standing firm even when the ground shakes. What you fear losing often holds the greatest lesson. Every shadow exists because there is light nearby. The heart sees clearer than the eyes ever could. Success whispers, but failure teaches. What you give to others, you give to yourself. Strength isn't in what you show, but in what you endure. Wisdom grows in the silence of reflection. A calm sea never reveals the strength of a sailor. The stars shine brightest when the night is darkest. You cannot control the wind, but you can adjust your sails. Even the smallest spark can ignite a wildfire of change. What you allow will continue. What you confront will change. The battles you fight in silence shape the loudest victories. Your scars are proof you survived the battles they never saw. Every challenge is an invitation to grow stronger. The strength to let go is often greater than the will to hold on. True freedom begins where fear ends. A grateful heart turns little into enough. Time doesn't heal. It reveals your ability to move forward. The greatest gift you can give yourself is forgiveness. To stand alone is to stand stronger than with a crowd of doubt. The quietest voices often carry the deepest truths. Even the strongest flames began as a single spark. Your value isn't determined by how others see you, but by how you see yourself. Every sunrise is proof that endings birth beginnings. True strength is found in what you choose to carry, not what you let go. Wisdom is knowing what to say. Strength is knowing when to say nothing. Your dreams are only as strong as the effort you give them. The road to greatness is paved with perseverance. Sometimes the hardest battles are the ones no one knows you're fighting. The light you seek is the one you're meant to create. What you seek is often waiting within you. The depth of your struggles determines the height of your success. The only limits you face are the ones you believe in. Resilience is the art of turning pain into power. In the darkest moments, you discover your brightest light. Every detour holds a lesson you were meant to learn. Every closed door redirects you to the one meant for you. The greatest gift you can give yourself is forgiveness. The heart remembers what the mind tries to forget. Every challenge is an invitation to grow stronger. Happiness whispers where ambition shouts. The road to greatness is paved with perseverance. Courage is born when excuses die. The strength of the soul is measured by the love it gives. What you fear losing often holds the greatest lesson. Dreams demand the courage to believe in the impossible. The truth doesn't change, only your willingness to see it does. True courage is standing firm even when the ground shakes. A lesson ignored will return louder each time. What you seek is often waiting within you. Growth is painful, but staying the same is far worse. Even the smallest steps forward are progress. Strength isn't in what you show, but in what you endure. The seeds of today's effort bloom into tomorrow's triumphs. The greatest gift you can give yourself is forgiveness. Even the strongest walls crack when built on lies. A grateful heart turns little into enough. Every detour holds a lesson you were meant to learn.